Anyone disbelieve me? Let's have a look. What are the injuries? What do you reckon? Anyone don't think that's real? I think it's real, all right. Now, how many times have you done that? It's the first one. You had your reservations about it beforehand. Put your glass in there, then. Yeah, I know. I think I'm right here, though. That's the main bit. What sort of glass were you using? It was about 6-7 mil windscreen glass, toughened glass. I mean, what does this proves that you're taking terrible risk, really, doesn't it? Well, I've just done it for this particular place here. I've never done it before, and I doubt very much if I'll ever do it again.